Prime Minister Narendra Modi has conferred the Lokmanya Tilak National Award for his outstanding contributions towards the progress of the country. He was given the award at a function in Pune this afternoon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with the NDA MPs from Western Uttar Pradesh, Bundelkhand and Brij region in New Delhi yesterday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will introduce the National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2023 in Lok Sabha today. As part of India's G20 presidency, G20 Empower Summit will begin in Gandhinagar today. Income Tax Department has said that more than 6.50 crore income tax returns have been filed so far. It said 36,91,000 ITRs have been filed till 6 p.m. yesterday.